Welcome, Dr. Nitin here. We are going to improve upon Microsoft's prompt coach. First problem, I am in prompt coach, then I am asking it what is the time. See what happens? It tells me what the time is, which is not what I wanted. This is prompt coach, so it should accept whatever I put as a prompt and improve it. That's why I have to explicitly say improve my prompt and then put my prompt. That's extra work for me, isn't it? So the second problem is the prompt is fine, but I have to manually select it and copy paste it. In this case, it was just one paragraph, so I could have done triple click to select it quickly. But consider a more complex version like this. The final prompt is much bigger and longer. Now I have to select and drag. No, not really. There is a better way. You go to the beginning, double click there, then go to the end, press shift key, and then click. Yeah, better, smarter, but it's still extra work. I don't want to do that extra work. I want a simple direct copy button here. So let's see how to make a prompt coach with both these features. Here is the improved one in action. Same prompt. It'll ask me clarifying questions, but still current improved version it'll anyway give, and one click I can copy. So now let's see how to create your own custom prompt coach. Let's start with new agent. This works in free or paid version of Copilot. There is a template here which allows you to see how Microsoft has defined all their agents. So I'm going to go to prompt coach. It's going to fill all the details about how Microsoft has configured this. So it has a lot of information. So it's scroll down, scroll up again, and this is how Microsoft has created it. We want to give it a better name. So this time I'll call it Docs Prompt Coach. I'm going to close this pane so that we can focus on what is happening here. Now I can type things and also test it out. Now these instructions need to change. So I went about changing these instructions one by one and then finally came up with these instructions. I'm going to paste them and then explain. You can download this as a text file and paste it yourself in your own custom agent. I'm changing the role so that it understands clearly. It doesn't have to run it, it just has to improve the prompts. Now I'm telling step by step. Look at the prompt requirements, which basically includes goal, context, source, and expectations. Anything missing, ask about it. The original instructions from Microsoft asked one question at a time, but that becomes a little irritating. So I'm not limiting it to asking one clarifying question at a time. Let it ask all questions. It's up to me to answer the relevant ones. And then improved prompt, I want a copy button, right? How do I do that? The output format is very important. In the output improved prompt, it has to be a plain text code block. That's the technical way of telling Copilot it should have a copy button. After giving the prompt, it may still have some further ideas, so we are not preventing that from happening. Finally, follow responsible AI, and this may be a multi step conversation, so don't lose touch. Keep the context. And just to be sure, self check that whatever you output, the final version of the prompt should be a code block. Next, you need to scroll down and make sure this option is on. This ensures that the code block can be created properly. Scroll down further, and Microsoft has given multiple suggested prompts, but these are for the original instructions. We have put our own instructions, so we have to delete these. Delete them one by one. There is no way to delete all of them together. Now we have defined this agent or coach properly. So now that we have done this, let's test it here with one of our prompts. What is the time? So it did not execute it. It's asking me questions, but the interim prompt also it has given with a nice copy button. Perfect. So it seems to be working. Let's create it and then try the other prompts. You can directly click on Go to Agent or close this dialog, open this navigation pane or menu, and the newly created one will be added here. So let's ask another prompt, clarifying questions, which is correct, intermediate prompt, which is still improved, available. If I want to, I can answer The clarifying questions I want it for review. I'm going to create a video. It still has further questions, but it has given the interim prompt as well with a proper copy button. Let's try one last time. Again, perfect. Clarifying questions, but an interim prompt given with a copy button. So I'm sure you will find this useful. Try it out and share it with everyone. As you know, I work with customers globally to improve their efficiency using Microsoft 365 and Copilot. If you would like me to work with your organization, my contact details are in the description. It would be great if you like this video and subscribe to the channel to continue to learn more and work smarter. So that's it for now. See you soon. Thank you.